Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CyberX Popsy. In this video we're gonna dive into Advent of Cyber 2025 Day 20. The Day 20 will show about the race conditions tied to the world. Let's step onto the room and discover the challenges what TryHackMe given to us. Now we have joined the room and where we learn how to exploit a race condition attack to oversell the limited edition SleighToy. So this lab is a 30 minutes and it says a easy lab. Let's dive into the introduction part. Based on my understanding, what I understood from the story is the TBFC released a limited edition Slate toy with only 10 units. But however, shortly after the launch, more than 10 customers received successful order confirmations. But Max Kitty investigates and discovers that bandit bunnies exploited a race condition, overwhelming the checkout system with simultaneous requests by bypassing the stock limits. It means there were more than 10 confirmation orders were being successful. So what the learning objectives from this room means we can understand what race conditions are and how they can affect web applications and how simultaneous requests can manipulate inventory transactions on shared resources and how to identify and exploit these flaws. And finally, we will explore investigation mitigation techniques to prevent race condition vulnerabilities. And we'll connect to the machine as usual. We're going to set up the virtual environment provided by TryHackMe. We're going to both start attacker machine and the target machine at the same time. As you can see, our virtual environment has been set up. The status indicates both has been green. So for the time being, I can successfully connect to the machine. Let's check it. And we'll move to the task 2, which is the race condition. I would highly recommend to go through this theory part in this room. For the time being, I gonna concise it for this video, and we need to understand what the race condition. And the race condition happens when two or more actions occur at the same time, and the system outcome depends on the order in which they finish. In web application, this often happens when multiple users or automated requests simultaneously access or modified shared resources such as inventory or account balances. If proper synchronization isn't in the place, this can lead to unexpected results such as duplicate transactions or oversold items or unauthorized data changes. This is the definition of race condition, and there are different types of race conditions. One is TOTU, which is time of check to time of use. A check first happens, but the data changes before use. For example, if two users buy the last item at the same time, and then can be used as a time of check to time of use. And the second race condition is a shared resource, which basically signifies multiple updates happen at once. The final state depend upon which finishes the first. Sorry, last. Yes, last. And the last one is atomicity violation. An operation that should be atomic is split, allowing another request to interrupt mid-process. So I think it would be great if you do more research about these conditions, and will it's time for some action. Now we understand the basic concepts of race conditions. Let's take an example of TBFC shopping cart app and exploit the race condition. And we'll configure the environment first. Okay, as you can see, I'm already in the attack box and I opened the Mozilla Firefox, and there is an icon which is Foxy Proxy, which is similar to extension where we need to enable the burp. At the moment it is disabled. I will enable the burp now. As you can see, the status has changed to burp, and now I will open the Burpsuite community edition. As you can see, now so we're gonna create a temporary project. We'll click next, and we use the burp defaults, and we'll start the burp. As you can see, I have turned on the Burpsuite Community Edition. This is how the interface looks like. For this room, we're going to use proxy and repeater. So we'll go to the proxy first. And first we need to turn off the intercept off so that Burpsuite won't receive the request. And we'll turn it off. And let's go to the Mozilla Firefox now. and we'll continue the part. So once we did all these steps and now making a legitimate request, now the environment is configured, make a normal request, open the Firefox and visit the web app followed by this. Okay, we'll open this, Control C, and we'll go to the attack box, and this is our Firefox open, and Control V, and we'll go. As you can see, now the TVFC shop, we got the user details, and let's see what are the login credentials, and the username is attacker and the password is attacker123. So we'll try to log in. Username is attacker and attacker123. Let's see, and we don't need to say what, and we'll check meanwhile whether the burp is receiving the request or not. As you can see, we have login successful and we entered into the shop, and yeah, Bob is reading our request. So first we will find out the flag. So we'll view the cart and let's see what's going on here. So your cart is empty at the moment, and back to shop. And if we want to know, our first main job is to check the SleighToy limited edition, I guess. Yeah, so we need to do the purchase, so we'll add to the cart and view cart. Let's check out, and you don't need to change any shipping or billing address. We'll confirm and pay, and it says payment received, thank you for purchase, you will receive an email with all details. Okay, now we'll go to the Burpsuite, and here we need to do here is we need to go to the process checkout, and we need to send it to the repeater. As you can see, now we are in the repeater, and this one what we need to do is uh, gonna create a tab, and we'll make it name as purchase and the cart and create, and we'll do the same thing, not here, so here, and we'll create a duplicate tab, and for time being, if you want, I'll make it 10 times since there were 10 orders, so we'll duplicate the 10 items. And now what we need to do, and we need to send in group in parallel last by sync. Okay, and let's see how our checkout items now will refresh. First we'll view the orders, as you can see, and now we'll refresh. It's still one, and okay, we are at here now, so we'll go to the burp, and now we will go here and we'll send to the group, and let's see how many orders have been processed. As you can see, there were 10 orders have been processed, and yeah, we did the thing, and we're gonna visit our page and we should able to see our flag. So we'll go to the back to the shop, back to shop. Voila, we finally found the flag, and as you can see, they have been oversold with -2 items, and we'll copy this flag, Control C, and this is the first flag because we checked for SleighToy limited edition. Okay, Control V and check. Voila, we did it. And repeat the same steps as we have done for the ordering simulation. SleighToy limited edition. What is the flag value once the stocks are negative for bunny plus blue? Okay, there should be one more item, so we'll do the same thing. First we'll go to the burp and we'll try to close all. So we will try to close all tabs in the group. So yes, I want to do because we already found the flag, so we'll close this, and we'll go to the target, not target proxy, and we need to go to the HTTP. So minimize first, minimize, and now we'll go to the add to the cart, and we'll do the same process. We will check out, and this is for bunny plush blue, quantity is 1 and in stock piece is 5. We'll confirm and pay and view orders. As you can see, apparently these were just only 13, and we'll go to the burp, and not this one. And we need to go to again checkout. This is the last one we did, and if you want, you can see this is the one. uh, and we'll go and send to the repeater, and let's check in the repeater as this is. And first we need to again we'll add tab to the group, create a tab group, and we will give this as uh, process checkout, whatever you want. Checkout cart and create. Okay, and now it has been created, and now we're gonna duplicate this item to receive multiple requests. So again, it's up to you how many you want. I just on a randomly, since there are only 5 items, and we'll do it maybe 8 and duplicate. As you can see, there are duplicate. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on right click. Okay, so first settings, and so here, so what, no, no, here. Now apparently over here again we need to send it into the link, so we will click, and here we need to send it group in parallel, and we're gonna send group parallel, and we should able to see our request. Now let's see how many are there. As you can see, now it should be received additional 24 from, and we'll go to the back to the shop again, and let's see whether we got it or not. And we got the bunny plush blue, and we oversold -7. So yeah, and we also found the second flag, and control C will copy this flag, and we'll check out whether it is right or wrong. And that's it. Feel free to check out the race conditions room if you enjoyed this task, and I would do this in a separate video when I get a chance. For now, I will check it. And with this, we have completed the race conditions tied to the world. And that's all with this video. And I'll see you in the next room. Until then, take care. Signing off, CyberX Popsy. Happy hacking.